Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to the Safa Chat Scripts. So, first of all, guys, please do subscribe this channel to give me motivation to create up videos for you, helpful videos for you. Okay, so let's start. Today we will talk about typecasting in Java and ternary operator in Java. So, typecasting in Java. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one of primitive data type to another primitive data type. Like if you want to convert a value of integer to string, we use typecasting. So we have two type of typecasting in Java, widening and narrowing. So widening typecasting is automatic typecasting, and narrowing typecasting is manual typecasting. So let me talk about the widening typecasting. So converting a lower data type to a higher one is called widening data type typecasting. It is also known as implicit conversion or casting down. It is done automatically. It is safe because there is no chance to lose data. So as you can see, from byte to short, short to int to long, long to float, and float to double. This can be automatically done. We are not going to provide any explicit type of data type or type new data type to cast their value. Now, if I talk about the narrowing typecasting, so converting a higher data into lower one is called narrowing typecasting. It is also known as explicit or casting up. It is done manually by the programmer. If we do not perform casting, then the compiler reports a compiler error. Okay, so in manual narrowing typecasting, we can go double to float, float to long, long to int to character, character to short, or short to byte. Likewise, smaller to bigger is called widening, and bigger to smaller is called narrowing. Now, talk about this operator, semicolon and question mark. So this operator is used to replace the if else statement. We can do one thing, we can replace the if statement by using this operator, these operators. So syntax, expression 1, then question mark, expression 2, colon, then expression 3. If now how it's work, if the value of expression 1 is true, then the value of expression 2 will be the value of whole expression. If the value of expression is false, then the expression theory will be evaluated, and the value of becomes the value of entire expression. Let me talk about with example. So we have an example. We have two value a and b, and a equal 10 and b equal we provide if else, like if a equal 1, then print 20, else print 30. So from first line of value we will print 30 because the condition is not satisfied because a value is 10. Likewise, in the another line here we will print okay, just give me a second, yeah, here we are going to print 20 because the condition is satisfied. That's how it looks like, how it's work. Now let's start with technical implementation of this typecasting. Come to this Eclipse in IDE. Now here you can see, this is, we are talking about narrowing, that is it's explicit, we need to implement. Okay, now I want to convert the double value to integer. So for that I am just using explicit int data type before this value. That's why it is typecasting the value of integer, double to integer. Likewise, if I talk about binding casting, so we have integer value and I want to convert into double. So I'm just assigning this integer value to the double. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, well, that's it. It's automatically convert into the double. If I execute this, then you will check, like we have 9.78 double, but when we are converting into int, it will remaining int. So in the first line we are printing as a same 9.78, and another line we are converting into integer in print, so we have 9. In the same widening, we are not converting anything, we are just assigning a value lower data type to bigger data type, so it will automatically convert. So likewise 9 and 9.0. That's how it's work. Now let's talk about that operator. So if I copy this program from here and if I'll execute this, then you will check. Okay, let me paste it here for you and then let me execute. Now let me execute this. So you can check in the first print statement the value of b is 30 and in second statement the value of b is 20. Reason? Because in here the first condition is not satisfied, first expression is not satisfied, that's why third expression will evaluate. Here first condition is satisfied, that's why expression 2 is evaluate. So this that's how we can uh, replace else if else statement from Java. Like it's help to code code complexity, and it's easy to use, like easy to understand, like how exactly. So this is called ternary operator, you can say, or a smaller version of else and if. So that's it for the day. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's meet after a day. We'll meet tomorrow. Please do subscribe for more. Thank you. Thank you very